Elon Musk says when he'll find a new Twitter CEO, he says by the end of 2023 would be good timing. I wonder if Mr. Beast is still in the mix. That's not a lot of time to find a new CEO, and you got to believe. I mean, that's a complex task. You got to have some thick skin to come in and try to do that job.
Yeah.
It just seems like nearly impossible to satisfy all parties on this front.
Could he hire within? You know, someone who knows the ropes of Twitter, been working there for a while?
No, he cannot.
Oh, okay. I feel like that's where he should be going, but, you know, you can hire outside.
Yeah.
Like a Tesla guy or something.
I would normally agree with you, but considering how many people were fired immediately, it seems like the idea of a new direction has been critical. But I don't know. I presume there's people there that have showcased incredible abilities to him as well, and he'll just say, okay, here, you might be right. Someone gets nominated internally by him and whoever else. It's possible.
He'll probably stick around too.
Well, he's into it. Like he's into the platform. I mean, it's at a point now where if he wasn't tweeting, it would feel weird because he's so into it.
Like obsessed with it.
But it's hard to say because he kind of goes from obsession to obsession. Like apparently he wants to buy Manchester United now.
Yeah, that's a new story.
So what? Then he's obsessed with that, or is it kind of just more as an investment? It's hard to know.
Sure.
How the attention is distributed. Elon Musk has given a timeline for when he plans to name the new Twitter CEO. He says he plans to do so by the end of 2023. The current head of the social media company spoke via video call. Oh yeah, this was this World Government Summit that he was. He did not use a private jet to get to. Instead, he just went via video.
Oh, okay.
And that seems to work as long as you make the video enormous. As long as his head. As long as his projection is bigger than an elephant, it's fine. Then people don't worry too much about it. So you can see him there at the World Government Summit. Musk said that the end of the year would be good timing to find a new person to run the company. I think I need to stabilize the organization and just make sure it's a financially healthy place and that the product roadmap is clearly laid out. He said, I'm guessing probably towards the end of this year, it would be good timing to find someone else to run the company because I think it should be in a stable position around the end of this year. So he's like, I still got stuff to do, but by then, Mr. Beast will be ready to go. And this, of course, all dates back to when he polled people and got a tremendous number of replies. 17.5 million people voted on whether he should step down as the head of Twitter. And almost 60% said yes, which, I mean, it's not like an overwhelming majority, but it's a pretty solid number to convince you to say, okay, that's what the people want. And he's all Mr. voting. He's all Mr. polling. And so you got to go with it.
Yeah, it's nice that he gave a timeline.
It doesn't mean he has to stand by it, but yeah.
It's good to know.